Hello, everyone. This is Sharity, a platform our team developed to build community karma. Of course, what inspired us to create Sharity? Sharity was built from our inspiration of a prevalent issue that we explored in the Toronto area. 1 in 5 Toronto households experience food insecurity, and 10,000 individuals on a given night are unfortunately experiencing homelessness. However, we also see the opportunity in providing assistance, as we found that 72% of those who are homeless have access to a smartphone. Now, looking closer to development needs, there are 4 things our teams looked at closely. The first is driving effective supply and demand for those who are homeless and providing a supply for them in terms of donations for those who are in need. Second is looking into ease of donation and seeing for those who are not able to provide for themselves, seeing what else they can provide for community. Number 3 is a platform for direct impact. And last but not least, long-term change to help the homeless community.
The main question that we're trying to solve is there a platform we can provide the homeless and low-income individuals the access to donations and crowdsource support from communities and local businesses? To do this, our solution has 3 major things, which is starting it local, making it fun, and keeping it simple. We want to integrate our solution with local businesses and neighbors to help each other. We want to make it fun by gamifying local leaderboards and encouraging people to pay it forward. And we want to allow anyone to donate time, money, or resources in any shape or form. And now here's our demo.
So when the user first logs in, they all have an option to log in as a donor or a requester. When logging as a donor, they can see the people in the area that are in need along with a short description of the items that they're requesting. You can also see areas near these people, so there's local shops where you can prepay and buy these items for them. You can also go on the map and see from these pinpoints the geotags of these homeless people and where they are, so that you can click on them and then find who's in that area and see what other shops you can buy, prepay and buy for them. When you click on a person, you can prepay for the groceries, and based on what they want, you can go to a grocery store and fill out the fields to buy the appropriate amount of items and check out. It also allows you to claim some points, which you can add to your leaderboard over here, and you can climb up your leader ranks. And this aspect is just to gamify the whole idea so that it encourages people to contribute more. Now, going to the requester side, they have a username and password field to log in, and afterwards on their dashboard, they can see a pickup list of items that people have bought for them. So it shows them the location where it is, what the person has bought, and also when they bought it. So if they go to this place, all they have to do is scan this QR code to verify that they have picked up this item that the donor has prepaid for them. Additionally, they can click on a plus item to request more items that they're in need of over here. For example, this person is requesting shoes. And essentially, that's the idea.
Speaking to the technical implementation, all the data is stored on a CockroachDB cluster, which is then exposed using an API server such that can be accessed in Azure Power Apps. Within the front end itself, built on Power Apps, we also use the Bing Maps API just to access location data. We also considered how we might use Azure in a non-Power Apps environment, in which case you use Azure Maps, the translate functions, the form parser, as well as the mobile app deployment product such that we're able to effectively ship a mobile native solution.